Hi, welcome to this short video. Today we are going to write and run a simple program that prints hello world. This is usually the first program you write when learning any programming language. It's a way to make sure everything is working and to understand how to write basic code. In this case, we are going to utilize the power of Python programming language. We only need one line of code, which is print hello world. That is all. This line tells the computer to display the message hello world. Now, let's run the code. All right. Our, our message appears on the screen. Simple, but it means your setup is working and you have written your first program. From here, you can go on to learn more about how programming works. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.